Today I'm going to show you how to service and maintain vacuum suction cups. First thing you need to do is check the underside of the suction cup, that it's clean, no scars, and that the rim has no cuts. So it's important to do this every time you use the vacuum suction cup to avoid failure. Next thing to do is to remove the plunger from the brass tube. Here you'll find you've got a rubber gasket, a felt gasket and a spring. So what I do, a little bit of grease, general purpose grease, smear it onto the hole of the plunger, the gasket and the felt rod. Pull back the plunger and put some on the bar in the centre. Reinsert the tube. So from time to time you'll need to check the release valve here behind the red handle. Inside there you'll see a little tube with a hole in the middle and a rubber stop gasket. If they become out of line, obviously you're going to release air and subsequently the vacuum will fail. So just check that the two are lined up perfectly. A little bit of adjustment and then you should be fine. Another thing you need to check is this main valve. Inside here there's a hole that lines up with the piston. So to make sure that when I remove it and I put it back in the same place, I just put a straight line on the top of here and another indicator bar on here. What you need to do is just gently prise this up with a screwdriver. Grab hold of it with a pair of pliers. And pull it out. So you'll see there's a hole there that needs to be aligned back up with the marks I've put on there. Just checking the O-rings are clean and no damage to them.
Should I pull again? Okay, good.
Okay. So we replace this now. There's no damage to that. Push it back in so that my red lines line up. Then we do the test. And the suction cup's perfect. Got a good suction there. Release, you'll see the tension come up. Perfect. So these suction cups are invaluable to people that are laying slabs, large format tiles. They are quite expensive, so it is important you look after them. And the main thing is, on this plunger system, do not use WD-40. Use grease. The product will last you so much longer.